Okay, small heavy box. Kind of looks like a camshaft. Feels like a camshaft. Yeah, it looks like a camshaft. Oh, there you go. I'm thinking it's a camshaft. It's for a generator motor. Appears to be new. Let's see, it was made in 2017, so it's a pretty new camshaft for me. Most of my stuff's at least 20 years old. So, Jim made this. So what kind of cam is this? A2. Panhead. It's an A2 cam. Alright, so there you go. Brand new A2 cam. It's 48 to 69 pan shovel. Hydraulic lifter. Sometimes solids too. But nice cam. I like these cams. They work good for modern bikes. Make good low and mid-range power. Put some gear on the bike, let it torque down the road. You can run down to 70, 75 pretty easily with an old bike with this cam in it. Doesn't have a lot of balls above 90, but it runs pretty strong up to that though. So good cruising cam. Alright, that's it for that one.